everyone, welcome back to Lara's English Academy YouTube channel. Today, we're going to learn some essential food vocabulary to help you talk about meals, ingredients, and more in English. Let's get started. Fruit. Fruit is a sweet food that grows on trees and plants. Examples are apples, bananas, and oranges. Vegetables. Vegetables are plants or parts of plants that are eaten as food. Examples are carrots, broccoli, and spinach. Meat. Meat is the flesh of animals used as food. Examples are chicken, beef, and pork. Fish. Fish is an aquatic animal that is eaten as food. Examples are salmon, tuna, and cod. Dairy. Dairy products are made from milk. Examples are milk, cheese, and yogurt. Grains. Grains are small, hard seeds used as food. Examples are rice, wheat, and oats. Beverages. Beverages are drinks. Examples are water, juice, and coffee. Snacks. Snacks are small amounts of food eaten between meals. Examples are chips, nuts, and cookies. Example sentences. I like to eat an apple, which is a fruit, for breakfast. Carrots are my favorite vegetable to eat with dinner. We had grilled chicken, which is a type of meat, for lunch. I enjoy eating salmon, which is a type of fish, for dinner. I drink milk, a dairy product, every morning. For lunch, I usually have a sandwich made with whole wheat bread, a type of grain. In the afternoon, I like to drink a cup of coffee, which is a beverage. For a snack, I like to have some nuts or a cookie. Now it's your turn. In the comments below, write a sentence using one of the new vocabulary words we learned today. For example, I like to eat an apple as a snack. Great job, everyone! Today we learned some basic food vocabulary: fruit, vegetables, meat, fish, dairy, grains, beverages, and snacks. Don't forget to practice using these words. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Lara's English Academy YouTube channel, and leave a comment with your own sentences. Thanks for watching!